So right now I am in chat mode in Microsoft Copilot, where I can go around, give it some text right here. I can go around, give it some text just like this. And then let's say, for example, have a conversation as I like. But in this, there is a character count limit. So you cannot send more than 8,000 characters of prompt right here. If you want to work with more, then there's something called notebook mode right here, where you can go around and add in 18,000 character count of information. So let's say, for example, I got this entire article right here. So if I want to work around with long articles like this, I can go around, select out all, and then paste it out right here. So you can see that it still says maximum character reads right here, but I can go around and erase some of these out right here. But a lot more is actually supported over here, just like this. And now I can give a prompt like write a 10-point summary for all these contents and highlight important words as well. So I can give it a long article like this and click on submit around over here, and then Copilot will create the content over here just like this. So you can see that it took all of these content right here, long content, as you can see right here, and then it created it out as points just like this, as you can see, and utilized reference as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So here's a concise summary of the key points about Windows 11, and it summarized out everything. And that is how you can utilize the notebook mode to work around with long text and long prompts inside of Microsoft Copilot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.